welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to make Loisa inspired outfit from this oversized men's shirt. So without further ado, let's do the cutting. So for the first step, we're going to remove the buttons, the pocket, the sleeves. Gagawin natin other top yung sleeves. Ang papakita ko lang kung anong size nung oversized shirts. It is large, 16, 34, 35, wrinkle free. So that means ang ganda nung tela na to, guys. Hindi sure ano. So after that, we're going to make a straight line dun sa may baba nung ibaba nung sa may armhole. And then we're going to cut it. Okay, and then after that, we're going to proceed on making the top first. Dun muna tayo sa top at kukunin natin yung sa may upper part niya, and then we're going to cut. Ayan, yung tinuturo ko dyan, yan yung ikakat natin yung sa may bandang likuran. Itong color part niya ay gagawin ko siyang face mask. So I'm going to link there yung paano paggawa ng face mask. Okay, hope you are going to watch it. And then after that, we're going to cut straight dyan sa may side niya. Okay. Now the skirt by hemming it all first, the cutted parts. Okay, after connecting it all together and after hemming all the sides, we're now going to tatahiin na natin dun sa may part ng ranch niya. Ranch ba tawag dun? Comment down below kung tama ba yung pagkakasabi ko. And then, so ganun yung pagkakatahin niya. Mag-overlap sila ng 2 inches. 2 inches at yung ginamit ko dyan. Depende guys sa inyo kung gano'ng kahaba yung gusto niyo. Sa akin kasi 2 inches yung pagkaka-overlap nila. And then tatahin natin yan dun sa may gilid. And after that, i-flip ko dun ako sa may likuran. Magtatahi dun sa part dun sa isang part. So ayan, tatahin ko din yan. Tatahin ko yan straight. And after nating tahiin yan, we're going to tahiin din sa may center part niya using straight stitch. Okay? Oh my god, guys, naulan na. So, after that, since malaki yung skirt, I'm going to insert some garter, guys, dyan sa may back side ko. So, I'm going to tatastasin ko dun sa may side by side niya. And then, I'm going to insert an 8 inches garter. Depende, guys, sa inyo kung anong size ng garter ilalagay nyo. And after that, we're now going to proceed for the last step is sewing these straps. Sewing it all together. And then after sewing it all together, we're going to ganan-ganan, tuping-tuping ganan, hanggang tupi dun sa may side, tupi dun sa may side, and then tupi sa may center. Gets nyo ba, guys? So after that, we're now going to sew it until the end. Okay. Dapat, guys, separate yung dalawang straps and yung 5 straps, ha? So, ayun na nga. Patapos na tayo sa DIY natin ito. We're now just going to insert these straps dun sa mga may butas dyan. Ayan. Sa mga may butas. Itutusok lang natin. Ano ibig sabihin? Tapos, yan, after nan, din sa my skirt, guys, okay? And we're done after this. Hope you guys like this DIY tutorial I've done today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share it to your friends. So, for more DIYs, just keep on watching my vlogs so that I'll be more motivated to make another vlogs kung madaming manonood sa aking mga vlogs and madaming mag-inspire. So let's move to the final transformation.